Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable location information added to your tweets so that others will be able to find you who are near you. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should tap on the more button in the left side column of the screen, then click on settings and support, then settings and privacy, click on privacy and safety in the middle, and then click on your tweets. Here you can tap on the add location information to your tweets. As it says, if it is enabled, you will be able to attach location information to your tweets. So tap on this box, and then you should allow the website to have access to your location, and after that it will be enabled. So if you want to disable it, just come back to this section and click on this check mark icon. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.